is Gökhan Mert. I am from Turkey. I live in Istanbul. I am 12 years old. My birthday is 20th of January. I am a student at Dilko Middle School. My favorite subject is English. My favorite sport is basketball. There are 4 people in my family. They are sensible, bright, punctual. I would like to be a doctor because I think it is important. My father is a businessman and my mother accountant. My hobby is playing with my dog. In my free time I also like playing guitar. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite drink is milk. My favorite singer is Queen. My favorite day of the week is Saturday because there is no school. My favorite month is January because it is my birthday. I like action movie. My favorite place is Antalya. I like it because I can relax there. I like traveling. I have been to Antalya and Ankara. The most beautiful place in my country is Istanbul. I study English because an international language. Goodbye.